On this episode of the show, we're going to talk about springing versus durable power of attorney.
Creating wealth, protecting families, building legacy. This is the Rich Life Lawyer Show.
Hey everybody, this is Christopher Small, and this is episode 72 of the Rich Life Lawyer Show. I'm your host. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm, and I'm super excited to be here with you to talk about something I just love. I don't really love them, but they're interesting. Powers of attorney. So to start at the beginning, what a power of attorney does is it gives the person that you appoint to that position the ability to take care of your financial affairs if anything should happen to you. So that can include accessing your bank accounts to write checks, deposit checks, and basically sell real estate, sometimes create estate plans for you. It can depend on whatever is in the power of attorney document that you create, whatever powers you want to give to that person. But there are two different kinds of powers of attorney, and each carries with it different rules, really with regard to when the power of attorney actually takes effect. One is called a springing power of attorney, one is called a durable power of attorney. And they're important to know the difference between the two because they can have big effects on whether or not it will work in the way that you want. The first one is called a springing power of attorney. A springing power of attorney only takes effect if two independent doctors have determined in writing that you are incapacitated in some way. That can either be through medical issues, like say a car accident, put you in a coma for a long time. It can be mental issues, so it can be like Alzheimer's, dementia, where two independent doctors have determined that you can no longer make decisions for yourself or take care of yourself. Then the power of attorney sort of comes into effect, and the person that you have appointed to that position can then help you out. The difficulty with springing power of attorney is it takes time to get those letters. It takes time to walk through those steps to have the power of attorney take effect, and often that time is extremely valuable for the people involved. So if you think that's going to take too long, then the second kind of power of attorney you can have is called a durable power of attorney. A durable power of attorney takes effect the moment you sign the document. So the minute you decide that your spouse is your power of attorney and you sign that document, then they have the ability to go out there and do those things. Most often people don't actually use or exercise those powers unless they're needed, but it's important to understand that once you sign that document, it actually works and they can go out and do those things that you've given them the power to do right now. All right, that's it. Those are the two differences. Most people that come into my office prefer to do a durable power of attorney because, like I said, going through the steps of putting into effect a springing power of attorney can be difficult. And most of the time, all the time, people that are being appointed to the power of attorney position are people that my clients trust and depend on and know that will do the right thing. And so the durable power of attorney is a great option for them. If you need a power of attorney, or if you have questions about power of attorney, please call me 206-659-1512 or email me chris@cmslawfirm.com. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks.